Hi Foxes, and welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany from SHOPFOXBURROW. I am SHOPFOXBURROW on Poshmark, Instagram, and Etsy. And today I have a Nuuly unboxing video for you. This video has a lot of fall themed items because I'm getting into that pre-fall spirit, and so I've got a lot of fun like summer to fall transitional outfits for you guys. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, stay tuned. So I got my third Nuuly this month. If you did not know, Nuuly is a subscription rental service from the Anthropologie Free People Urban Outfitters group of stores. You get 6 items for a full month of wear and use. And the reason that I've really been liking Nuuly is because I have a tendency to want to wear things maybe 2 times, 3 times, and then I'm kind of like done with them, so to speak. And that's always worked out for me because I'm a reseller, so I'm able to go ahead and take things out of my closet and sell them. And this kind of lets me play with different brands and different styles without having to deal with selling it afterwards. And so it's just kind of fun for me to kind of get these like rental items. So far I have not purchased anything from the Nuuly box, but you do get the chance to buy these items at a discounted price. And so far I've seen the discounts range from about 20% to around 45 or 50%. So that's not a bad deal, depending on how much the piece costs. So I'm going to show you the things that I picked out, and this is what my Nuuly looks like. It is obviously very fall-y, mustardy, and okay, the other thing is in the bottom, but it is also mustard colored. So let's just go ahead and take these out one by one, and I'll go over what I picked. So first things first, I wanted to go for sort of a comfortable skirt. This is a mustard yellow skirt. It has these nice big pockets. It has smocking at the back, and it is just by Anthropologie, and it's got this little tie at the front. And I have to have pockets on my skirt, or I don't have a place to put my phone while I am doing my photography for work. And so I hope that this will be perfect for mixing some of the tops that I have in my closet that are maybe like shorter sleeve, but to make it more of like a fall colorway. So that was the first item. The second item is a sweatshirt. And I don't wear a ton of sweatshirts, but I just thought that this was really cute. It's a very neutral color, and it's a cropped length. So I feel like with a lot of high-waisted jeans and skirts, I can really get a lot of wear out of this. I loved that it was very sheer up here, and you can kind of see this pretty floral detail. And that is by, I think it's Love Sam. And I got that one in a size large. Next up, I picked out this Anthropologie dress, and it is by Maeve, and I just thought that the colors and the embroidery were just so perfect for fall. It's got smocking at the back, which I thought would be really comfortable for wear. I feel like this would be like a perfect flea market dress or just picnic dress, just going to hang out. I do see that, and this hasn't happened before with Nuuly pieces, but it does have a little stain here on the back. So this one is definitely a little more worn than some of the other pieces, but it's gonna be really pretty for fall. Next up, I decided to try these Free People jeans. They are a super flare leg black jean, and you can see like that's the knee, and then they flare out like huge, and then they lace up in the back. These are a size 30, and apparently they're pretty long, but I'm going to be wearing them with like semi-platforms, so hopefully that will work out, and if not, I'll probably just pin the hem under and then press it so that I can wear it without damaging the pants. And this is from a new line by Free People called Curvy, and so it's got a bigger like waist to hip ratio so that you can fit into it if you are smaller in the middle and then curvier around the hips, which I definitely am. So I'm excited to style these. Like, I feel like these with like that sweatshirt that's cropped, it's just going to be really cute for the fall. So I'm excited to try those out. And next up is 2 more mustard pieces. This was a top. See, this one is new with tags from Free People, and this is by Moon River. But I just thought that this was a really pretty, like, little embroidered top, kind of flowy, with like that peasant style neckline, and that has like stripes worked into the fabric that are kind of brown, so I feel like that sort of adds to the autumnness of it. And the retail price on this was $88, and it's a size large. And the last item is this chunky knit cardigan. It's just by Anthropologie house brand, and I decided to get this one in a size medium because it's a sweater and it's stretchy, and I don't like it when things are too long in the arms, so I thought that going with a medium would be a little bit better for me because I have shorter arms, and I am a shorter person. I'm only 5'4", so I picked out this top. It's kind of got that like grandpa cardigan style, but I just thought that this would be really fun layered with like skirts or over a more summery dress, or I don't really know. I'll probably just wear this around the house a lot because honestly it just seemed really comfortable, and I don't do like Angora or any weird fabrics. Like, I just can't do like itchy animal fibers, so this one is, aside from a little bit of merino wool, which is fine for me, it does not have any funny fibers in it. No alpaca or Angora or mohair or anything like that. So again, excited to have this one to wear. Okay, so that was what I picked up for my fall September Nuuly order. I was a little bit disappointed because they, right after I ordered this, they sent me an email that said that I got 2 free items from, like 2 free extra items, but you can't add them if you're not getting a Nuuly, and they expire literally the day before my Nuuly is unlocked for the next month. So I'm going back and forth with customer service, and hopefully they'll make it right, but so far customer service has just been like, yeah, use them before it expires, and I'm like, I can't use it before it expires because my next Nuuly is not unlocked until literally the day after it expires. So hopefully they take care of me. If not, I'll make sure to let you know in my next video, because I was really excited to get the little notification on my phone that I got 2 free items that I could add into my next Nuuly, and then not be able to use those 2 items. So let me know what your favorite item was down in the comments below. Or if you didn't like anything that I picked out, or if you think that you might like to try one of the items that I picked out in your Nuuly. If you would like to try the Nuuly subscription service, I do have our referral link down in the comments below, and I would greatly appreciate if you used that to sign up. I get $10 off of one of my Nuulys, and then you'll get a discount on yours as well. And that's that. So thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like fashion content, because I do a lot of styling videos with like Stitch Fix and Nuuly and stuff like that. So just go ahead and tune in next time, and I'll see you then. Okay.